Hi everyone! Kainan na! Brunch na tayo guys! Late akong nagising. Good morning, good afternoon to everyone and good day to everyone guys all over the universe, especially OFW and my family back in Nueva Vizcaya. Okay? And also, okay, if so, Nueva Vizcaya, right? Lahat na wala yatang kuryente sa Nueva Vizcaya, but we'll try to have fun also, even though wala, nakikita nyo na lang. Ito, ngayon, magbabrunch ako. Na late akong nagising, guys. Tapos, pinaghandaan ko pa si Mr. Palapas. Kaya ito, nagising na, naka-workout na. So, ito, fresh na fresh, guys. Fresh na fresh tayo. Nag-workout na ng ilang minuto, guys. Ngayon, kakain tayo ng brunch. Pero ang brunch ko ngayon is, look, I know you're gonna like it. Ito, bigay ng, bigay at hingi, or whatever. Bigay ng, hi, Miss Linda Thomas. I'm going to have brunch. Alam mo na, ang retirees. Dito lang bahay. Nagising ako na. I woke up around 10 o'clock and I'm supposed to cook and prepare my breakfast in that time. Pero nagtamad ako. Ganun pala. And then, of course, muni and the thing is a bit workout kasi mataba-taba na tayo. And now, pinaghanded Mr. going to work. Eh, ako ngayon, dito, hi, madam. Dito ngayon, kakain ng brunch. Guys, alam mong ulam ko, this one, I miss this so much, is dying, given from one of my followers. Thank you, Mercy, from Pangasinan. And of course, this omelette. Danggit? Is this danggit? It's not tuyo. I don't know. This is really very nice. See? Trinaying curd. Alam mo, you know how I cook this one? I pakulo some oil. I boil some oil. Ipinasok ko and then close. Kasi you see, ayokong what to say? I don't want my kitchen be smelly like danggit. Well, actually, it's nice also. It's good technique also. Kaso lang mamantika, nilagay ko pa ito sa, gusto kong magkamay, guys. And this one is, ano yung rice na to na, hindi ko alam ang rice na to. Hi, Mrs. Critican. Here, I have rice. I cook my, hindi ko alam kung ano tong rice na to, guys. Nakalimutan ko. Ojongga rice. Even though you eat a lot of this is low carbohydrates, guys. This is my son's rice para sa muscle niya. So, I'm lazy to cook rice today also. I just stick some water, like boil water, stick there for about 10 to 15 minutes. And there you go. It's ready. Like an instant noodles. Yes. And of course, hindi mawawala ang kimchi. Kimchi instead of suka. Kimchi. And of course, iced coffee. Jasmine rice. Similar to that. Maybe, I don't know if this is jasmine rice. But this one is, I pour it with a small lunch box. Pour it with very 360 hot water. It stays there for half an hour. Around 15 to 20 minutes. And there you go. It's ready. It's just like a pouring a fried, how to say it? Cup noodles. Yes, there you go. It's so dry. And, you know, I don't know if that's the taste. And this one is omelette. It's, made of tomato, onion, spring onion, and yeah, yun lang. Konjac rice. Yes, you are right, Miss Kan. I forgot the name. Alam niyo na matanda na si Lola. Guys, kumusta kayong lahat? And the weather is not that good in Philippines, in Hong Kong. Yes. Hindi. Hi, Miss Lola Ampi. Baba ko nga tong camera ko. I'm holding with this one. Hi, Lola Ampi. Tignan nyo tong glasses ko, hindi nakakabasa na. Palit tayo, madam. My lunch is munggo with dahon ng... I like that. Dapat walang karne, ah. Yes, I like that. But this one, I seldom eat this one. Just, na-miss ko lang itong kainin. And of course, I supposed to eat breakfast. Kaso nga lang, wala lang breakfast. Let's eat, guys. Hopefully, you having lunch with me. This is Hong Kong or overseas. Alam kong kumakain kayong lunch din, guys. The best way we do is drink muna ng cold coffee. Wala na yung ice niya. Light lang ang gatas niya para lang matanggal yung... hello, Dada Tata. I know you're watching, and then thank you for watching again. And Miss Critican, Miss Linda Thomas, shout out to you and your friends around there, and also your friends around the building. Hello, how are you guys? Kain na po. Okay. And then, yes, kain na po tayo. Yes. Hopefully you're enjoying your lunch too. It's already, I don't know that. Oh, it's already 1:20. Kasi may nag-request din na I'm going to prepare, magdi-dinner din. Oh, just ang dami kong iluluto, guys. I'm going to cook, for me, my husband, he wants me to cook, ano yun? Linguine with truffle. And a beef, of course. Beef na lang. Kasi it's easy to cook. Pwede rin chicken linguine with truffle oil. Yun ang iluluto ko mamaya. That's what my darling wants to eat tonight. And then, my other son, my big son, I made already chicken. Probably I just cook only some vegetable later. And my other baby son, you know, he'll be back later. Alam niyo na, busy si Wayne is sa China. So, yan muna. Ewan ko kung ano hilingin niya because I've been cooking adobo all the time. He's bringing back there somewhere. So, okay. Let's eat to that, guys. Try my kimchi omelette, egg omelette. And this one, the danggit. Yes, this is danggit, guys. I'm gonna eat this first. It's nice, guys. You know what? The weather is not good today. It's heavy rain outside. Buti na lang ang sipag ko. Naglaban ako kahapon. Ang sipag ni Lola ngayon, I'm doing my nice clothes. Oh yeah, thank you. Of course, my son loves me. He's buying my clothes online. See, may taga-bali na ako dito. Wala kasi si Girlie. My daughter is not around here. Kasi my daughter loves buying my handbag. My son also loves buying my dress. That's the way it is. Ito namang si Bunso, gustong bumili ng McDo for me. Kaya ako tumataba. My Bunso loves McDo. That's his life. Diba? Ang tawag ko, guys, kumakain na rin ba kayo? Look at this. This is my phone. Oh yeah, I forgot to eat danggit with you. This one. I even washed this one before I put and dry. The best danggit I ever had. Wala siyang asin. Hindi siya salty. Yeah, it's really nice danggit. Parang, ang sarap-sarap, guys, ng danggit. Basta, parang gusto ko nga kumain ng, ang takaw ko, guys. Meron na. Nayaan ako sa inyo, guys. Meron nag-message sa akin ng takaw ko daw. Yes. Kung hindi lang ako nahiya sa inyo, magkamay na nga ako eh. Pero, it's better to do it this way kasi all of my followers also, guys. Hello to my Chinese and Thailanders, Indonesian followers. I know you're watching my video and it's better to, you know, and my friends, my daughter's friends, I know they requested me to speak English, but I did try my best, guys. I have a Carabao English, so you don't mind if I just making joke with this one. So this one is danggit. The fish will swim inside my belly. Buti na lang pinatay ko na nga eh. Diba? Ito namang nakikita kong messenger ko dito sa kabila. Ang takaw ko raw. So, more appetite, guys. Okay, I will eat still. Ganun talaga ang matatakaw na lola, guys. Pati ulo kinakain, guys. It's really nice. I never thought. Pero malinis siya. There's no intestine. There's no, alik-ilik dito sa ears. Pero, lambot pati the head. Even the head is lambot. Same to you ng foods, ampalaya eggs with kimchi. Yes, yes, yes. With paratha. No, this is not paratha. This is not paratha. This is omelette. Egg omelette. I'll show you. This is omelette. With tomatoes, onion, and spring onion. And a little bit of salt. Kasi no yum-yum ha. We need a healthy living, guys. Eat again. And the hand of this one for the itong daing na ito, danggit na ito, mag-swim siya sa inam na she's going to swim inside my belly na. Para may swim ako paglabas, right? Nice, guys. Kumusta na kayo dyan sa inyong mga work? Hopefully, guys, you're enjoying your job at the moment kasi this is not paratha. This is not paratha yan. I'm enjoying your job at the moment kasi at the end of the day, sabi ko nga, mauubos din ang power natin. It's time to it's time to have fun also back in the Philippines. Mauna lang ako sa inyo. Yeah, paratha. You're eating paratha. That's nice. I plan to have paratha also. Kaso nga lang, my freezer is so full. Punong-puno. And ayokong bumaba ngayon kasi yung weather nakakatama. I've been out yesterday. Bumaba na ako dyan sa baba lang. Dyan sa podium. Walk. But now I'm eating again. Ganito pala ang retirees, talagang tataba talaga ako dito. Retirees always find a job, finding food to eat. That's my job. Diba? Kimchi guys. Kung may kimchi talagang so smooth. Yun ang pinakagulay talaga. No wonder why the Korean people love skincare. But itong nabili kong kimchi, hindi siya it's not spicy. I like the spicy kimchi. Even my baby girl, maybe boy can eat it. It's not that. It's really nice. Try this at home. O kaya magtinda na lang ako pag uwi ko dito, no? Who want to order next time, let me know. Bili na lang ako na maraming danggit o tuyo. Tuyo ang Tagalog, right? Tuyo din daw. Tuyo. Tinapa. Just let me know. Uwi ako. At mag-uuwi ako dito. Mag-business na lang kaya ako, guys. Pwede na. I don't need to work. Pagod na yung katawan ko, guys. Bata pa lang ako, nagtatrabaho na ako. And you guess what? We have a very hard life. Hard life talaga ang Pilipinas noon. There's no electricity. Alam nyo yung pagsilawan nga at dati stick na here na with the clothes. Yun ang ilaw namin when I was high school na rin yata ako, guys. See how hard the life a few years ago. Kaya guys, kung mabuhay ka nga sa pinakamahirap na mundo, hindi ka nga lang mabubuhay dito sa pinakamahirap na country. Of course, you have to try your very best naman na sakripisyo kung paano ka mabubuhay. Hindi lang sa you're depending on your parents, depending on your brother and sister. Guys, try to solve your own problem also. Hindi lang lahat may kapatid ka, lalo na sa atin na lang kasi ayoko naman may specific na may sabihin ko sa Pilipinas, sa other countries. No, lahat tayo may kanya-kanyang life. So try to work na and save and then of course save a little bit, not just save for everything like my mom. They still saving for what? Diba? Ang tanda-tanda na nila, kagaya ko. Nagsasave pa sila for what? Diba? Kagayan. Just enjoy life, guys. Especially to my mom. This is dedicated to my mom and my dad. No need to save. Wala na kayong isa-save dyan. Ano pa isa-save nyo? Pag-awayan natin. Diba? Pag-awayan ng mga pamilya. Kaya, enjoy life, guys. Kain lang ng kain kagaya ko. I hope my mom's watching. Ano kung bakit? Super kuripot kasi sila. Kaya kami ganito, kuripot din. Ang kuripot is good also, pero kung meron naman na sana, that's enough na. Diba? Ano yun lang ang masasabi ko, guys. Parang wala akong listahan ngayon. So, ang masasabi ko lang ngayon, ang sarap ng ulam ko. And I hope you guys eat him also. This is ikilaban na ba sa Pilipinas? I still not. Pasahin ko muna itong mga when. So, nani, aglalaok ka na, when, that's true. Aglalaok na kasi I'm just enjoying the food also. Bili, bala. Para enjoy life. Hindi nang bukbuk lang nang iiyak ako dyan sa gilid na I used to be doing that, right? Lalo na pag-usipan mo yung bahay kong ginawa ni Ek. Oh my goodness. Nasisira lang ang araw. Kaya ito lang, dinadala ko na lang sa vlog na to. Para naman may pinagbibisihan ako, guys. Alam nyo na, hi, Rosa Echeverry, guys. Delicious food rice. I miss to eat this one. And then, shout out to all the Isabela, San Matthew people, and so especially to your friends, family, loved ones. Shout out to all of you. Hopefully, you're watching my movie, my vlog, even though I'm eating to you. Aglalaok gay bagbagakon. It's fine, guys. Just to express my emotions. Parang ganun eh. Manonood kayo ng Pabuya ni Anderson, guys. The Sin of the Father, nga gandagan nyo, guys. The Sin of the Father, panuorin nyo, guys. Nakaka-relate kayo, yung mga taong scammer dyan. Andyan lang dyan sa tabi-tabi ninyo. Be careful, guys. Your own brother, your own sister, your own anak will scam you. I tell you that. Be careful. Meron na akong alam dyan. Ingat kayo. Kasi ang mga tao ngayon, walang hiya na. Maraming pambang, marami dito. Kaya mga scammer, they scam their own parents. Ang dami dyan, kilala ko. They scam their own... Ito, naalala ko na naman yung scam na yan. Pag may pinalusot, alam mo nang nag-i-scam na yan. Kaya, kung may resibo, yun na yun. Mahirap talagang scammer. You don't have to believe that. Diba? Yung mga manluloko, sabihin niyang, meron dyan, oh, may kilala ko. Ay, nako, bato-bato sa langit, guys. Kapi tayo ng cold coffee, nawala na yung ice, guys. Parang di na masarap. You know why I drink this coffee? This is my whole day na. Alam niyo bakit? Para matanggal yung nagtig-ab ka ngayon, madi maangot datoy. You can smell that to you, right? Dadanggit pala, guys. Tila mo't ibang baga, konsensya na kayo, guys. Talagang ganun ang walang homework, walang lesson plan, parang teacher. Kaya, sensya na kayo, guys. Ano na naman dito sa kabila? Yes. Oh, yes. Inanonood mo ako? Okay lang. Naya daw silang mag ano din. Okay. Nakikita daw yung, oh, yeah. Okay lang. Fine. Kung nada na yung nagrawat akano, nagaduti may sanga. 1 pint of coffee, this is for the whole afternoon na. Alam nyo kasi, para lang hindi ako feel like drinking Coke, feel like having halo-halo, strawberry cream, strawberry shake, mga yun ang iniisip ko. Kasi pag, if there's something like this, you don't need to think that way. Para hindi na naman tayo hindi tayo, you don't feel like drinking those, you don't think about having those fatty things. Kaya ako, I serve this one with the whole pint of coffee. Anyway, this coffee has no milk, has no sugar, and I only put color a bit color. Tignan nyo, malabnaw. Malabnaw. Hindi pa ito complete milk kasi I just don't want to fill it with fatty milk. So, I can drink dark. Kaso nga lang, not today. Nagdadark ako pag talagang inaantok ako. It really wakes you up if you drink the Barako coffee. I have some Barako coffee also, pero I don't use my coffee maker at the moment kasi nakahanda ng pauwi sa Pilipinas ang mga gamit ko. Kasi of course, alam nyo na, uwi na tayo sa susunod na araw. Diba? It's nice, guys. Now, that's all for today. Hope you enjoy watching my video. And one thing more, sa mga taga-Pilipinas pala, paano kaya magtatrabaho wala palang kuryente dyan? So, that's the only question. Pero anyway, there's a magic there. Anong ginagawa ng solar? Okay. Anyway, don't forget to like and share. And please, don't forget to pray up there. And please love your family, love your neighbors, as I love you all. Yun lang masasabi ko. Shout out to all the people around the world, especially you guys who's watching me now and you're having with me now. Rosa Echeverry, Dada watching. Who's this one? Yes. Oh yeah, there you go. Didn't see this from the beginning. Yes. And Sweet Shanes, Freeze Vanzi, how are you? Pahingin ng yes, kape. I have so many coffee here. Yes. And then shout out to you all, you guys there. And then Ampi, Miss Lola Ampi, Suskritikan, Linda Thomas, of course. And then, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Para hindi naman kayo magsawa sa pagmumukhang ito. Bagong gising, bagong workout. Ito, kumakain na kayo. Tapos, magluluto na naman ako mamayang hapon for my children and for my boyfriend. Right? Diba? Yun talaga ang gawaing retirero. Yeah. Hope to see you guys soon, pretty soon. And then, please, don't forget to like and share. Love you all. God bless. Bye.